Write a letter to Prime Minister for soil conservation. To the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Subject: request about Soil Conservation Act. Respected Sir, I feel very overwhelmed by the opportunity that I have received today. Soil is one of the most important component of Mother Nature, and its protection also hold at most importance. Day by day, the soil is getting depleted, risking all the life on earth. Therefore, I request to you to please look into this matter and take step for soil conservation, because it is the soil that nourished the mankind and upholds the future. I am waiting for your support. Thanking you your faithfully.